Welcome back, children, to lesson number 11 of your EVS subject Nation's Pride. Children, today in this chapter we will read about martyr late Poonam Chand Jai Shankar Pandya. Take out page number 90 and see second paragraph. Read, learn about historical events that occurred around you. In those events there must be talk about martyrs too. Children, here it is given what is the meaning of a martyr. A martyr is one who dies for the pride of his village, city or country. Okay, in Hindi the meaning of martyr is shaheed. Okay, children, you must have learned about independence struggle. Our India was under British rule for 200 years, and many freedom fighters struggled to make our country independent. And in this independence struggle, many people sacrifice their lives instead of thinking of their life. So here grandma tells a story about a martyr whose name is Poonam Chand Pandya. It was a time when Britishers were ruling in Meghraj village of Sabarkantha district. Children, where is this village? Yes, it is in Sabarkantha district. And where is Sabarkantha district? Yes, it is located in southern part of Gujarat. Okay, and Poonam Chand Pandya was living in Meghraj village. Children, I will read it again. It was the time when the Britishers were ruling in Meghraj village of Sabarkantha district, where every year festival of Holi was celebrated with great fervor. Children, here meaning of fervor is with great passion. Here the Britishers had a bad law. Children, Britishers always forced to follow their laws on Indians, and they also they had a very bad law that during the holy celebration the British officials would make a statue named Laji, which would be a man not wearing any clothes. The statue would be put up in a village center. It was made compulsory for the villagers to move around the statue on the day of Holi. Okay, children, what we have custom that we during the Holi festival we people take a round of fire, but Britishers forced these people to take a round of the statue which was not wearing any clothes. Once the youth of the village got together, they were brought together by a young man called Poonam Chand Pandya. Okay, children, at that time the young people were very much irritated by these laws which were forced by the Britishers. So at that time also the youth didn't like this law, and what they did, they brought together all the young men. And who was that man who brought together all the young men? Yes, it was Poonam Chand Pandya. The British officials got the statue made and went away. At night, Poonam Chand and his friends broke the statue. Children, as the youth opposed British laws, what they did, they broke the statue which was kept by the British officials. Next day, when everybody came there to follow the rules by the Britishers, there was no statue. Okay, now the village people, those who were very much old or who didn't want to oppose Britishers, they used to follow the rules. So what they did, they came there and they thought that okay, we should follow the rule, and they came there, but they didn't find any statue over there. When the officials inquired, Poonam Chand Pandya accepted his offense. Okay, so children, what happened when British officials came and they asked that who broke that statue? Then Poonam Chand Pandya accepted that he broke the statue. Why? Because otherwise, if nobody will commit that who has broken that statue, the Britishers will trouble the innocent people of village. So Poonam Chand Pandya committed that yes, I have broken the statue. The court ran the case. Poonam Chand Pandya was sentenced. Children, At that time, when there was freedom struggle, these Britishers used to kill these or hang these young people so that nobody can raise their voice against them. That means against Britishers. So Poonam Chand Pandya was also sentenced to death. The law of Britishers slavery was removed. Children, due to the agitation of these people, the slavery law was removed, and Poonam Chand Pandya took part in the fight of non-cooperation against the foreign government. In order to free the country, Poonam Chand went to the jail several times. Children, in those days, when the independence struggle was going on, these youth used to go to jail several times. To remember this patriot, his statue is there in Shri PCN High School even today. To keep his name immortal, a road in this city is also named Freedom Fighter Poonam Chand Pandya's Road. Children, in this way, some statues or some memorials are built in memory of these martyrs. In our city Surat, we also have such a memorial. Dummas is better known as a seaside hangout and a picnic spot for Surtis. But there is a memorial of martyrs at a crossroad in the village. This memorial depicts the martyrdom of 34 people of Dummas and surrounding villages who died in the Battle of Basra during World War I. In January 1928, British rulers built the memorial at Dummas Crossroad with the names of 34 martyrs engraved on it. We also have Kargil Chowk in Piplot, which was built in the memory of soldiers who were killed in Kargil War. Children, Kargil War was fought between India and Pakistan. It took place between May 3 and July 26 in 1999 in the Kargil district of Kashmir along the line of control. Children, this independence or freedom which we are enjoying, we have got at very high cost. Many sacrificed their lives and then we achieve this freedom. So it becomes our primary duty to think to grow our country. So children, this was for all today. We will meet in my next video. Till then, stay connected. Bye bye.